What's up, community? We back. Yeah. Y'all know what time it is. Hey, I got something to tell you. When are you gonna unplug? Yeah, that's what I said. When are you going to unplug? Sometimes you have to disconnect and just hit reset and start over. There are too many things connected to you right now, and it's draining all your batteries. Sometimes you gotta pull away from everything and just unplug. Get away. Stop everything that you're doing right now and just pull back and take some time for yourself. Unplug, disconnect from everything before you overheat. Before your battery go out. You blow a fuse or something. That's when things get crazy and it gets too real. So, I'm asking you, more like I'm begging you, when are you gonna unplug? Yeah. It's okay to unplug. It's okay to disconnect. You ain't gotta be always connected. You ain't gotta be always on. Sometimes you can just pull back and let go. You know, I find in the moments I let go and pull back is when I receive the most. You know what I'm saying? So, I want you right now, this week, unplug, disconnect, pull away, take a step back so you can reboot, restart, and operate at full power. Y'all know what it is, man. We ain't just any community, man. We the community, all right? Grind.
What do you do? You do when they're not watching you. When they're not watching you. What do you do? You do when they're not watching you.